Travels with Tess here. This is my third attempt to make this recording, and today I am showcasing earrings that she makes, the mola mola, and it's in a nice iridescent color. Also, this is the logo for my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about the trip that I took to Fresno with my mom in Prather, California. It's a little goat farm that we drove out there, and I also created a song from a company called Suno, and their company sign is right over here somewhere. I'll put it over there, and put an idea in the app, and it creates a song for you. So that was kind of fun. And as you can see, I'm using a lot of apps. I use a lot of apps to my image because I don't wear makeup. I don't wear any type of makeup. Kind of reminds me of Carolyn's RV video. She makes a video about this. So, I'm older, 55 years old, and I don't care as much about makeup and stuff. So most of the time I can just have an app that puts it on there for me. Anyway, and then also have a trip coming up with my sister and my mom to Alaska. So I'll be making little brief videos about that. In this recording, I am using a lot of Firefly to transition from one clip to the next, which makes it very interesting. So AI is, a very interesting tool to use, and I use it kind of here and there. Boy, so there's an earthquake warning sometime in California. That's great. That's great. I live in California. Earthquakes are not going to be fun, and there's probably going to be one pretty soon. So in the meantime, watch my video and subscribe. Thanks. Oh, and this is what I look like without filters, and this is what I look like with the filter. Woo. Thanks. Subscribe. Bye.
Driving down the road today, sunshine on our way, thinking of my Nana's smile, memories stay a while. Baby goats and little things, trinkets in the shop. Time keeps moving, never waits, it never seems to stop. Driving to Basilwood Farm in Prather with my mom, looking at the baby goats, feeling calm. There are only 365 days in a year. Time is precious, hold your family near. Driving to Basilwood Farm in Prather with my mom, thinking of the days that have come and gone. There are only 365 days in a year. Time slips away, so I'm grateful we're here. Thinking of my younger days, my brothers and sisters too. Thinking of my family and all we've journeyed through. Thinking of my Nana and the love she gave away. Holding all these memories close as time keeps slipping away. Driving to Basilwood Farm in Prather with my mom, looking at the baby goats, feeling calm. There are only 365 days in a year. Time is precious, precious, hold your family near. Driving to Basilwood Farm in Prather with my mom, thinking of the days that have come and gone. There are only 365 days in a year. Time slips away, so I'm grateful we're here. 365 days in a year. Time is precious, hold your family near. Thinking of my Nana, thinking of my family. Driving to Basilwood Farm in Prather with my mom.